Hello everyone, welcome to Shalini Foods. Today's video is about 4 healthy sweet recipes for Sankranti. The first recipe is Pancharatan Burfi. Take half cup of raisins and 15 seedless dates. Add 3/4 cup of water and cook for 5 to 10 minutes on medium heat. Now switch off the heat and let it cool completely. Add 10 chopped almonds, 10 chopped cashews and grind into paste without adding water. Now add half cup of jaggery, 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of water. Cook on medium heat. To check the consistency of the jaggery syrup, add 2 drops of jaggery syrup into water. It should become like a ball as shown in the video. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of ghee in the jaggery syrup. Add half cup of dry coconut powder. Now add grinded paste and mix well. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of ghee and mix well. Now add 5 chopped almonds and 5 chopped cashews and mix well. Apply 1 tablespoon of ghee to the plate. Cook for 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. Mix continuously. If needed, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of ghee. At this stage, transfer to the greased plate. Apply ghee to any spatula and press slightly to get a shape. Now cut into pieces and let it cool completely. When it's cooled, once again cut into pieces. Very tasty and healthy Pancharatan Burfi is ready. The second recipe is wheat cornflakes laddu. Add 1 cup of cornflakes, 10 almonds, 10 cashews and 2 cardamoms and coarse grind it. Now add 2 tablespoons of ghee and half cup of wheat flour. Fry on low heat until it turns aromatic and changes its color. Now you can see the wheat flour change its color. Now add grinded cornflakes powder. Fry for 2 minutes on low heat. Now transfer this mixture into a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of dry or fresh coconut powder. Fry until it changes its color on low heat. Now add this coconut powder into the bowl and mix well. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee and 3/4 cup of jaggery. Cook until jaggery melts. Now add jaggery syrup into the cornflakes powder. Mix well. Now add ghee and prepare laddus. Press and prepare laddus. If you can't prepare laddus, add ghee. Once it becomes warm, prepare laddus. Tasty and healthy wheat cornflakes laddus are ready. And the third recipe is Jaggery urad dal laddu. Ingredients are listed here. Add 1 cup or 250 grams of urad dal. Dry roast them until it changes its color. Urad dal is roasted perfectly. Let it cool and grind into a fine powder. Add 200 grams of jaggery. Adjust jaggery as per your taste and add 3 cardamoms. Grind into fine powder. Add ghee gradually and prepare laddus. Very healthy and tasty Jaggery urad dal laddus are ready. And the fourth recipe is Energy Laddu. In this recipe, we don't use sugar or jaggery. Take half cup of peanuts and dry roast them. Add 1/4 cup of cashews and dry roast them. Add 1/4 cup of almonds and dry roast them. Let them cool completely. Add all roasted nuts. You can remove the outer skin of peanuts. Pulse grind 2 to 3 times or can grind into fine powder. Now add 1/4 cup of raisins and 25 seedless dates. You can adjust dates as per your taste. Pulse grind it. Mix well and prepare laddus. If your kids won't prefer dry fruits, then you can give this laddu to your kids daily. Very tasty and very healthy energy laddu is ready. Try these 4 healthy sweet recipes for Sankranti. Enjoy the taste and let me know your feedback in comments. More interesting and healthy recipes are on the way. If you didn't subscribe till now, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.